Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to align GMC Sierra, updated. First, park on level ground, set steering straight, and measure toe, camber, and caster with basic tools before making adjustments. Use a tape, string, or digital tool for toe measurements and compare left versus right. Loosen lock nuts, adjust tie rods in small increments, and recheck until specs match manufacturer recommendations for safe handling and even tire wear. Gather basic tools and safety gear before you begin, including jack stands, tape measure, wrench set, and a level. Inspect tires for even wear and proper inflation, and mark steering center with tape. Warm the vehicle with a short drive to settle suspension, then park on a flat, hard surface. If you have access to a digital alignment gauge or toe plates, set them up now for more accurate readings and quicker adjustments. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and more truck maintenance tips. Quick recommendation: Little Tree's Black Ice is my go-to air freshener after working under the hood, and it masks grease smells with a crisp scent that fits any cabin. I've linked the product and other deals in the description for easy access. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Loosen the tie rod lock nuts with the wheels straight, then count turns as you adjust to track changes. Turn both tie rods equally to shift toe in or out, and check measurements after 2 or 3 clicks or quarter turns. Correct camber and caster only if adjustable or with shims, and red-eye-tin lock nuts to specified torque. Finish with a test drive to verify steering alignment and tire wear patterns.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.